In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group drawings in TradingView for better chart management and efficiency. Whether you're an active trader or just getting started, keeping your chart neat and organized is crucial for making informed decisions. Today, let's walk through a simple yet powerful way to tidy up your workspace, allowing you to focus more on your trading strategy and less on the clutter. First things first, let's open the object tree. If you've never used this feature before, you'll find the object tree icon conveniently located at the bottom right of your chart. Once you click on it, a panel will open, showing you all your chart elements. Here's where the magic begins. Next, you want to select the drawings that you'd like to group together. You can do this either directly on your chart or within the object tree itself. To make multiple selections, it's as easy as holding down the Control key if you're on Windows or the CMD key if you're a Mac user, and then clicking on each item you wish to include in your group. This step ensures you're grouping everything at once instead of one by one. Once you've selected your items, it's time to create the group. Navigate within the Object Tree panel and click on the Create Group of Drawings folder icon. Instantly, a new folder will appear, typically with a default name like Group 1. But don't worry about the name right now. We'll fix that next. With the group created, right-click on this new folder to rename it. This step is not just about aesthetics, it helps you immediately understand what's in the folder at a glance. So go ahead and choose a descriptive name that suits the drawings you've grouped. Something like support and resistance or trend lines may serve well. Now that you've named your group, let's manage it more effectively. If you need to add more drawings later, simply drag and drop any additional items from the object tree into your newly created folder. What's really handy about this setup is the ability to make bulk adjustments. When you select the group folder, you can modify properties such as color or visibility for all the drawings within simultaneously. Moreover, the object tree gives you options to hide, show, or lock the entire group at once. This is especially useful if you're focusing on a different set of data or want to prevent accidental changes to your drawings. By grouping your drawings, you're not only improving the organization of your chart, but also making it incredibly easy to manage. You can hide or show related drawings with a single click, drastically reducing clutter. Plus, when it comes time to make edits, you'll find that you can streamline these changes across the entire group, saving both time and effort. So, there you have it. A simple yet effective way to enhance your workflow in TradingView by grouping your drawings. Take full advantage of these features to enhance your trading experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading.